Good afternoon student. Previous section we are learned sorting the CSV file, and next what is that, and read the CSV file with the, and store the column value and list for the sorting. Already we are learned. So today we are going to discuss about reading of CSV file into a dictionary. So read a CSV file in a dictionary can be done by using what is the method we are dictionary reader class of the CSV model, which was similar to the what is the format, reader format, but it's create an object with the maps data to be a dictionary. So these keys are given to the field name as parameter. So dictionary reader works by reading the first line of the CSV and using the each comma separated value in the line as a dictionary key. So the column of each is subsequent row, then below peak of like dictionary value can be accessed with the apparative key. What is the mean? Field name. In the first row of your CSV does not contain your column names. So you can pass the field name into where is the parameter into the dictionary reader. So constructed to assign the dictionary keys will be manually. So the main difference between the CSV reader and dictionary reader is a simple term. CSV reader and CSV writer works with the list and tuple, while the CS dictionary reader and CSV dictionary writer works with the dictionary. Only one difference, they will be working with the list and tuple. Here will be dictionary reader and dictionary writer will be works with the CSV dictionary. So dictionary reader and dictionary writer that take additional argument of the field name, they are used in the what is the schema dictionary keys. For example, sample8.csv file into what is the dictionary. So import CSV file name. Here C is a drive and file program sample8.csv. Input file, we are using the dictionary reader csv.dictionary reader open file name comma or is the reader. So for row in the input file and print the dictionary will be in a row wise. So they will be item name, keyboard, quantity and 48. What is there in the item? First item name. What is the first item? Keyword. What is the next? So what is the quantity? Quantity how much is there? 48. And next item monitor and quantity 52. Next item name is mouse and quantity and 20. The above program dictionary reader is used to read what is the program sample8.csv and map into in a dictionary. So then the function dictionary used to print the data in the dictionary format without order. Without order they will be displayed. So what is the remove the dictionary function, the above program and use and print, check you are getting the following. Already we are order and item name and or quantity we are arranging in the header file. After only we are display in your items and is a quantity, but here will be first row fully you are displaying the item name along with the item and quantity along with the how much is quantity we are using. So they want to display in the order format. Next is the reading CSV file with the user defined delimiter into the dictionary. So you can also register new dialects and use the dictionary reader method. Suppose what is the method? Sample8.csv in the following format. This is the program. Item name, quantity they given. How the reader dictionary by registering the new dialect. Import CSV register dialect my dialect.delimiter and skip the initial space equal true. File name already you know the with the open what is the file name comma reader and reader code CSV dot dictionary reader CSV file dot dialect dot my dialect. So for row in the reader print dictionary row and CSV file dot close. Here also same format item name comma and quantity comma and keyboard comma 48 within the quotes. So they will be another more spaces will be available. That space will be automatically or another skip in your program. Next is the working data into different type in the CSV file. The Python provides the easy way to work the CSV file. So they have used the CSV model in the read and write data in the CSV file. In the preview topic you have learned how to read the CSV file in the Python. So in the same similar way you can write and edit and exporting the CSV file in the Python. First is the creating the new normal CSV file and second one is the modifying this and exporting file. third one writing on CSV file with the codes, and fourth one writing on CSV file with the custom delimiters, and fifth one writing on CSV file is the what is the line terminator, and next sixth one writing on the CSV file with the quotes, and seventh one writing CSV file into what is the dictionary, and eighth one getting the data at runtime and writing in a file. So this all will be a different type of the CSV file. I hope you all understood. Thank you, student.